Did you know? A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, casting a shadow on our planet. During a total solar eclipse, the moon completely covers the sun, revealing the sun's corona, which looks like a glowing ring. People around the world gather to witness this rare and beautiful event, but remember to always use special glasses to protect your eyes. Eclipses not only provide a spectacular view, but also help scientists study the sun's atmosphere and understand more about our solar system. Experience the magic of the universe. Share this video and subscribe for more amazing space facts.